Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax refund in Canada. First, determine if you are eligible for a refund based on your income and deductions. Next, collect all your important tax documents, including T4 slips from employers and any other income statements. Finally, decide whether you will file your return online using tax software, by mail, or with professional assistance. This guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. To ensure a smooth filing process, gathering your documents is crucial. Start by collecting all income slips, like your T4, which show employment income and deductions. Don't forget receipts for any eligible deductions or credits, such as medical expenses or charitable donations. Always have your 9-digit social insurance number handy, as it is essential for identifying your tax account with the Canada Revenue Agency.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. On another note, for all you avid readers out there, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading your favorite books anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to the Kindle and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
You have several options for submitting your tax return. Many Canadians choose to file online using NetFile certified tax software, which is often the fastest way to get your refund. Alternatively, you can print and mail a paper return to the Canada Revenue Agency. If your tax situation is complex or you prefer expert help, consider hiring a tax professional to prepare and file your return for you. After filing, the Canada Revenue Agency will process your return. If you are due a refund, direct deposit is the quickest and most secure method to receive your money, often within 8 business days for online filers. You can also sign up for a CRA My Account online to track the status of your return and refund. This allows you to stay informed every step of the way until your refund arrives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.